Hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo na yung actual video kung paano siya sinat. Grabe. I would suggest wag nyo nang panoorin, and please, wag na rin kayo mag-comment ng any visual related to that because it's very disturbing. So, he is Charlie Kirk. Bukod sa political activist siya, he is also a Christian. Nakakalungkot sobra. We saw kung paano siya mag-stand sa biblical truth kahit na ang karamihan sa mundo ay against sa kanya. Well, hindi malabong maraming may galit sa kanya dahil maraming tao sa mundo ang hindi sang-ayon sa pinanghahawakan niya. I remember a scripture from Timothy, sabi doon, darating ang panahon na ayaw na ng mga tao makinig sa tamang turo. Gusto lang nila yung maganda sa pandinig nila. Kaya pipili sila ng mga guro na magsasabi na ayon sa gusto nila. Tatalikod sila sa katotohanan at susunod sa kasinungalingan. So right now, nangyayari na to. Sobrang nakakatakot na ang mundo ngayon. That's why as a Christian, kung isa ka, our goal is not just to be a good person, but to make Jesus Christ known to everyone. Kasi if a person truly knows Christ, hindi niya maiisip na pumatay, magnakaw, o mangurakot. Instead, he will do what glorifies God and avoid the things that does not glorify God. We are all guilty of sin. Walang perfect sa atin. That's why we have to seek Jesus Christ every day. Charlie just stood for the truth and he died because of that. Same happened with the apostles. They died because of the gospel. Ang malungkot dito, some of the people ay nagse-celebrate pa. Yung iba naman sinasabi na sana kay ganito na lang daw nangyari yan. Imagine if those people truly know Christ, masasabi ba nila yung mga ganitong bagay? What would Jesus think? So again, as a Christian, hindi lang tayo para maging mabuting tao lang. Hindi rin tayo para mang-condemn or mang-down ng ibang tao. Our goal ay maipakilala si Kristo sa lahat and mag-stand sa katotohanan. Hindi to usual na ginagawa kong content, but as a Christian, I just want to say something. And to thank our beloved Charlie Kirk, thank you so much for standing for the truth. We know that the Lord will reward you for what you have done. May you rest in peace.